So let's have a little look at what you'll find in a first aid kit. There is a minimum recommendation of what to have in here. So you'll find a guidance leaflet, you'll find some plasters, you should have some gloves in there, which is very important for your hygiene. You should always wear gloves when doing any type of first aid, even if there's not any visual bodily fluid, you should have them on just in case. You've also got triangular bandages, which can be used for quite a few things actually, but slings is one of the main ones. You may have some ice packs, but usually that is an additional requirement that is added in after looking at a risk assessment. Also, scissors might be an added requirement. And you have different shaped and size bandages, so medium, large, small. You also have some eye bandages in case anyone has an eye injury. And you may have some adhesive tape as well to help apply any dressings. Okay, so this is some of what you'll find in your first aid kit. If you do find yourself having to do any type of first aid, like I've said, hygiene is really important. So wearing your gloves, but also washing your hands beforehand and also afterwards. Thinking about any cuts that you may have on your hands or up your arm, making sure that they are fully covered. Also, if you have a cold or anything like that, if you're coughing and sneezing a lot, perhaps try and get somebody else to do that first aid for that day, or just make sure you don't cough or sneeze over an open wound, and just keep yourself and the casualty safe.